Hey there you guys, what is up? I'm Matt and I'm your expert on everything both smartphone and photo, and I recently invested into the Fuji X system. I picked up my Fuji X-H2 and so far I love it. I was searching for lenses on Amazon and the first prime I decided to pick up is this guy, the 56mm F1.8 by ttartisan. This is the first lens I've ever purchased and unboxed from ttartisan, so I figured it would be fun if we did it together. Let's get into it. Here's a closer look at the box. Lens weight 234 grams. Let's open her up. This lens only costs $129 on Amazon and it seems to have some good reviews. I thought for a fast prime lens for only 130 bucks that it would be a great value. Warranty card, QRs with socials, a little chart with the lens elements. Okay, so far this is pretty cool. Here's the lens itself. Okay, right off the bat, I do like the finish. It's more of a glossy satin, but it doesn't feel or look cheap. Also, you can see right here, it does come with a USB Type-C plug-in. Let's take the bottom cap off, and it looks like there's electronic connectors that connect from the cap to the lens mount. That must be how you update this guy. Pretty cool stuff. So I do not see a weather gasket around this mount, but honestly, at this price, I wouldn't expect one. Build quality overall looks great. So far, I like the design of the lens. Let's take the lens cap off. Okay, so this thing is quite small. Looks like it takes a 52mm filter thread. And in terms of full frame equivalence, this is about an 80mm. So at 80 mils at f1.8 should stand out to be a pretty decent portrait lens. Looks like we also do get a somewhat retro style inspired lens hood. That's pretty cool. Twist and click. Wow, that felt good. That was a nice solid click and separation. Huh. Cool. I like that. Okay, let's mount it to the X-H2 real quick, and then we'll finish off this video. Okay, definitely pretty interesting. Okay, we got it set to aperture priority, set to 1.8. Yeah, much faster than the constant f4 that I had before, the 16 to 80. Okay, I'll include some samples. And then real quick, let me listen to see if I can hear how audible the autofocus is. Okay, so it's definitely quite audible. I've heard worse, but it is definitely there. So in terms of that aspect, probably not a real good video lens and autofocus. But again, as far as the price, it's kind of hard to fault this thing. So again, it's $129 and it comes in black and silver. I'll link you in the description if you want to check it out. I do like that lens hood though. Overall, I look forward to testing it and hopefully we can make some beautiful photos with it.